Hey, if there was one thing to know about the Tempur-Pedic King mattress cover, is that this thing is legit and super comfortable. Just got it, putting it on the bed right now, and I've opened it up so you can see the foam on the inside. You've got a washable cover on the top, machine wash cold, very soft, got a little bit of a bounce to it. Then underneath, this is a separate cover I purchased that's just a waterproof liner I'm putting under it. But then the main thing is the foam that makes up the memory foam topper. Here's our mattress under here. And then you have this very soft, very resilient to when you push into it, it'll mold to your body, but won't stay there. So I think that it won't hold in heat too badly. All the reviews I read say that is actually quite cool to sleep on, but feels really good. And you'll see the response of my hand bounces right back. So it'll really conform to whoever's sleeping on it. And then you just have this cover you put on top that you can take off, of course, to wash. This is a great item, great quality. Highly recommend you check it out.